In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on adaptive sound on your Google Pixel. Let's get into the method. Open the Settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Sound and Vibration from the list. Within here, scroll down again to the Audio section and look for the Adaptive Sound option. Tap on this, and then you can use the toggle switch on this page to turn it on and read more about what this setting will do. That's how to turn on adaptive sound on your Google Pixel. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.